Hi everybody. I'm going to do a quick feed today, but it's with all new products, mostly new products. And for those of you that are new, and I notice there's some new people, my name is Karen. I've owned this business for 10 years. I started it 10 years ago with just soap and lotion. So here I am now deciding that I would extend it to scrubs, lotions, baby products, men's products, you name it. I pretty much try to carry it. I make everything in small batches. So let's get started right away so I can show you what I've been making in small batches. First of all, my new tins. Hi, I see you there. Hi. I just made the coolest candles. These are the colors. So we're going to start with the mint or double mint. And then this is the raspberry sangria, double mint. This has my homegrown mint on the top of it, the raspberry sangria. Simple, just raspberry sangria. Now, everything is double wicked so that it's even burning. I can promise you, I have tried every candle that there is. Go right down to the very, very bottom. And there is, you can almost just, you can see the very bottom of the tin. So every bit of wax gets used and burns evenly. I am definitely carrying this because everybody wants this all the time. It's the coffee and peppermint. I started carrying it around Christmas time. So I'm going to carry that all the time. And my pineapple. I love the pineapple, so I thought I'd bring that in. And all of them have really cool, covers to them. This is my pineapple. So remember, even burning. This is what it's all about. Even burning, you want to use every bit of it. And soy. And last but not least, my absolute favorite, orange raspberry. Orange with rosemary. But look what I put on the top. I don't know, pink Himalayan sea salt. Hi, Ann. How are you? You should have your package today, I'm thinking. This is just what I wanted to do, just to be different. That's what I like to do, to be different. So when you order one of these, you can order it in the silver tin or the gold tin. So it's simple. I have new, except for the peppermint and coffee. That one I've been carrying. But I have 4 new ones. And I'd be honest with you, everything else I spent the morning putting online that I'm going to talk to you about. I didn't get the candles on, but they're going on as soon as I end this feed, then they'll go right on. The baby products. This is my new baby wash. And so I'm going to have a baby package. So this has baby aloe in it, chamomile, and I want you to know that it's paraben free, no toxins, there's no alcohol. I don't put alcohol in anything except for my hand sanitizer, obviously. And it has a baby powder scent. Then this one right here is the lotion. And the lotion has the aloe vera, the shea, the A, the E, the baby powder scent. I box these, both of these, in a blue box like this. I'm adding the hand sanitizer. It comes with a pink ribbon or a blue ribbon, whichever you choose. And I'm really happy to add anything else to the package if you want, and then we can upgrade the package a little bit. With that being said, the next product that I have, and I don't want to forget about all my products today, is the, I've been using this, where is it? Oh, here it is, the shampoo. So this is called Simply Shampoo. I have a gift set that I'm going to be putting together. I love Salon Products, and I use them all the time, except I've been doing this little test. So what I do is I use this for a month, and then I use the Salon product for a month to see which works best and which is great for some color-treated hair and also good, gentle enough for baby. This is a winner. This is a winner. It's in my new 11-ounce bottles. That's what it looks like. It doesn't have any fragrance, and it's sulfate-free, paraben-free. It's vegan, soy-free. It's, again, created for color-treated hair or for baby. So it has the mildest surfactants in it, and that is what usually ends up making your shampoo a bit, like when you put a Salon product in your hair, and a lot of them are fantastic. You put it in and your hair almost feels a little bit like hay. That's because there's tons of surfactant and there is alcohol in it. And again, there are some that are so great, and I'm sure when you sell them, when people are selling them, they're a great product to sell. I love most of them, but this I like even better. This is my favorite, and it's not because I make it, but to go with it is my detangler. So my detangler and leave-in conditioner. You can put it on wet or dry hair. Comes in a cobalt blue bottle. So it's really pretty. My grandchildren use it. You know, I use it right up. You know, when I'm in the shower, I put this actually in the shower with me, and then I use it while I'm in the shower. So when I come out, all I have to do is just, you know, take the towel. And I don't even like do anything to my hair. I just take the towel out of my hair and just comb my hair, and it's good to go. So these are coming together in a package. So that will be something new also. Okay. I decided to also make another package, and I'll actually show you one all made up. This is my foaming sea salt. This one happens to be the black raspberry. It comes with the black raspberry soap. And it comes with a little heart inside, a wooden heart, a little scrub brush, and it's all boxed together so that you can have simply, you know, just a soap and bath salts if you don't feel like having the lotions, whatever. So I'm giving everybody choices. These are all online. They definitely went online this morning. And if you don't want that, then you can get the, I didn't have anything in the right place. Sorry about that. Right before I went on, I went to pick something up, and every bag, gift bag and everything I had fell on my head. I know, I'm not really a klutz, but I mean, everything just fell, and so it's because I'm just running up and downstairs and doing too many things at one time. But anyway, so that's my story for today, and I'm sticking to it. Someone I know said that. This is my strawberry and cream. This is my Georgia peach. So you know they come with candles, and they come with all sorts of things and cream, and now they come just a bar of soap, a little heart, a scrub brush, and in a little white box all tied up beautifully for you. All right, so there's that. Let's see what else we have over here. So men, don't want the men to be forgotten here. So I have this these men products, and they're really wonderful. So this I call it an aftershave. I mean, you can call it whatever you want to call it, but it doesn't have any alcohol in it. So I suppose that means it's not an aftershave because that does have alcohol, but it has sandalwood and it has patchouli and bergamot. It smells amazing. It's kind of a natural hydrating mist. It's not kind of, it is a natural hydrating mist, so you can just put it on your face. Men need to do this too. You know, you guys need to. You just do. And then I have this, which is the 3-in-1. It's a deep moisturizer for men. It includes green tea and everything else that I mentioned a little while ago. So you can get that, and you get that, and then you can also get the men's soap, which I sell it in large bars, and then I sell the small bars too. So men's products, baby products, products and gift sets that you want to mix up, other products that you want to buy single. I have it all listed singly too, so you can buy, obviously you're going to get a better price when you buy the whole package, but you can buy, if you just feel like buying one bar of soap or something, you're good to go. I sold out of all of my lilac soap yesterday, every single bar of it. Actually, the woman I had to make more for her. But it's back in. I made a ton of soap yesterday, so that's back in stock again. But anyway, I just wanted to quickly come on, and there are a couple more things I want to show you real fast. I have new candles. They're ready. I'm going to put them online as soon as I get off here. They're on my, almost everything's on my website, and there's something going on with Facebook again where they're not letting us, well, anyway, so I'll put this on myself on Facebook. I'll list it myself because they're not putting it on for us anymore. The baby products I wanted to go over one more time. I wanted to go over the shampoo and the conditioner, which is the leave-in conditioner, which you can buy. And it is amazing. I mean, honestly, it's really, truly amazing. And for those of you that don't like any fragrance, this will be what you'd like to buy. And this is a nice big 11 ounces of shampoo. And then this is a perfect size. It takes me forever to go through this detangler. So I have those. I have a lot of new products over here. I have a lot of new, not new products, but the pineapple soap has been done. I can't find my my grapefruit swirl soap, but I have a grapefruit. It's right here. So I just wanted to make one more to add to my spring line, and it's a grapefruit swirl. Say that really fast. Olive oil, glycerin. It's beautiful. It smells so fresh. Really, really fresh. And the grapefruit is the scent that I use. It's called Ruby Grapefruit. I use that for my hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer, you really have to try that. That's like just amazing. So candles, baby product, men products, hair, gift sets, single products, anything you want to buy. I don't really know if you can see anything behind me, but I pretty much, I don't know if I should show too much, but I have like a lot of stuff happening over there. Like all my moisturizers and things are over there. You know, so if you're looking for moisturizer, I do have them back in. This is, you know, my moisturizer that I sell all the time that I talked about a lot on my last feed. So I won't go into that again. But anyway, anything that you're looking for, let me know. Rosemary soap, any kind of kumquat soap or lavender soap, or you name it, I have it. I make it. And if I don't make it, you could ask me. I may make it as long as it's not something crazy, but maybe crazy would be good too. But anyway, I wanted to say to everybody, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and everything will be online. Everything's online now except for the candles. They're going online right now, and I have lots of them, so I'm good to go. Have a good day. Thank you.